Hello everyone, welcome back to another live trade of Market Mindex. This is our day 15 of our live intraday output where we apply our market direction framework in real time. Okay, so let's see today's date 27 and 27 Jan 2026 and we took a trade around like 10:32. Okay, so today the similar way like what we have seen in our earlier live videos. So market opened at the previous closure and immediately in two candles it started coming down. Okay, and it was trading below the EMA. Okay, and market came down almost like 81,800 levels, 800 something like that, and from there it started recovering sharply. Okay, and when it started reversing sharply we were waiting for a crossover to happen. Okay, so I have played the video, so this is the live recording of it wherein we have taken a 1:2 risk to reward trade today, and what we have seen. Okay, what we analyzed and how did we take the trade. Okay, so as per data, what we checked for yesterday, the FII and Pro, we have concluded that it's a bearish trade. Okay, bearish trend, I mean. Okay, and there after that we were looking at this particular place. This particular place it gave a crossover, and already the liquidity from this and this particular place it has been observed, right? So if the market had to be bullish, so it had to continue from here. It should have created a support at this particular place, and from here it should have been trended again to the bullish side. Okay, but instead of that what the market did is like it created two big candles over here as a for the downside. Okay, this place we got a confirmation stating that okay, market's intention is not to go up, rather it wanted to come down to grab the liquidity. So the liquidity where we saw next was lying at this particular place 1 and 2. So this became a confirmation that okay, so market from here it can come till here, and maybe like then we can decide if the market will continue on the downside or it will take a reversal from here. Okay, with this we have put our trade here. We have given the entry at this particular price, and we were having a stop loss of almost like 68 to 70 points I believe. And according to that, in order to consider a 1:2 risk to reward trade, we had to keep a target to 140 odd points. Yeah, and we entered the trade, and let's see how did it go. Okay, let me fast forward this. Okay, at this particular price, at this particular point the price started reversing, and it was going closer to our stop loss, but we sticked on to our rule as usual, and the immediately next candle it started coming down. Okay, I'll start fast forwarding at this particular place. Okay, so the thing what I wanted to tell is like at this moment we have completed our 15 days of live trade, and from this there was only one particular day on which our stop loss was being hit. That was somewhere around 60 points stop loss, and in premium it was a stop loss of I would say somewhere 35 or 38 points in premium. Okay, and apart from that all the trades what we have captured is almost like 1:2 or 1:1.8 something like that. So this particular framework is really rewarding well, and if you are interested in this particular framework to understand and learn, uh, we request you to reach out to us or submit a query at marketmindex.in, or you can also WhatsApp us at the given number in the description, and we shall schedule a call wherein like you will be part of mm, the call where we will have a both side conversation. It will not be a one sided conversation like what webinars usually happen. It will be an open call wherein like you can ask your queries and we will answer to you, and we will also clarify you all the steps what we follow, like how we have structured this framework, what are the rules we follow, and based on our risk to reward ratio, the risk management rule what we have adapted to this. So everything will be explained to you. If you want to learn, I welcome you. Reach out to us and learn this and try this for 10 days. Definitely you will see the result. Yeah. Let me fast forward this. And it was hovering almost like for 5 to 10 minutes at the same price, and afterwards when it came down, now here we got very sure that the price will start moving fast, and after this particular point, then we have bought the stop loss to cost. Now at this particular price point, our risk, our trade becomes risk free, wherein we either exit at cost or we wait for the profit. Yeah. And within a fraction of seconds, it we started booking the profit, and it has completed the target with a big red candle. Yeah, that's how the day went. Thanks everyone.